this is Lisa from Lisa's Oddities, and today I'll be sharing with you guys these two memory hoops that I made following Serena B's Patreon tutorial. And so I made these two because several of my college friends and I are gonna meet up to go on a Vegas trip because my British friend is coming to visit. And so I wanted to create these two mini albums to document our trip together. For the memory hoop, I used a 9-inch embroidery hoop. I meant to find maybe like a 7 or an 8-inch one, but I couldn't find them at the store. But it's fine because it fits these two things inside perfectly. And so for here, I attach this trim. And the way that the paper, that I cut out the paper, the hole was already right there. So I just stuck the string through. And then I also used that trim all the way around, just for fun. And then the inside paper says "You are something magical." And then on the outside, I just decorated it with some little gems here, and then the bird and this little quote, "Make your lives extraordinary." It's from Tiffany Julia. She had some like free printables, like I think in April, and that's what I used. And then this tag is a free printable from, I believe, Webster's Pages. And then this paper in the back was just some extra that I had from making the mini albums. And then this just contains some goodies inside. And then for the mini album, I used a 1-inch binder ring, and then I curved the edges of every single page because I didn't want it to, you know, like when you're sliding it in and out, I didn't want the corners to get all bent. And so I just have this little, it's origami paper, but it kind of like acts like a vellum. And then I made a cluster of embellishments here. And then flipping through, I added a lot of like quote stickers. So this one says "It's the weekend" with some washi tape behind. And I also had a bunch of these like vellum stickers that had cute little sayings on them. So that one says "Choose happiness." And then this is a pocket. And this comes out. This is a 4x6 scrapbook paper, and I just folded it in half, and it's also textured, which is nice. So that's for my friend to add photos, more photos. And then here, because she's British, I figured adding these America stickers would be really cute. And then there's a flag in vacay mode. A lot of the stickers that I used were these like old ones from Snap that I picked up several years ago, like down here, the Fab. And then I also had a bunch of like button, like enamel dots. And I also used some stickers from the crepe paper journaling studio line, like this vacation mode. And then this paper here is from My Mind's Eye. I forgot the collection name, but I was like hoarding the 6x6 paper pad for like ever, and I finally got to use it up. This is a tag from Amy Tangerine. And then more pockets, and I really love this. This is also from the Snap sticker book. It says "Real Life." And then this goes in the pocket. Today made me smile. And I also included this like gigantic playing card because we're gonna be in Vegas. And some of my friends plan on gambling, so. And then there's also this, and this is so cute. This is Stop and Smell the Roses, and that's also a free printable from Webster's Pages. This tag here, also a free printable from Webster's Pages. Webster's Pages has a lot of like really cute free printables that they put out, I think almost every week. And then there's this gold butterfly sticker. Another Amy Tangerine tag. And then the flowers up here and the flowers down here, also from a Webster's Pages printable. I added a lot of pockets and a lot of like tuck spots and other places to add photos. Just so, you know, my friend can do whatever she wants. And then on the back, I just used the same paper as the front. And then down here, I have this stamp that I add to all of my creations. It just says made with love. Then I added from me. So here is one memory hoop. And this one is the second memory hoop. And so this friend, she was there with me when I bought this paper pad that includes this paper and this paper. And she told me one day, you better use this marble paper with the gold foil on it for me in some way. And I was like, okay, ma'am, you got it. And so I'm finally using it for her. And then down here, I just included another embellishment cluster. I think this is all from Webster's Pages free printables. And then I added some gems here on the sides. This is another bag filled with a bunch of goodies for her to use. And then here, I did the same thing that I did with the other mini album. I added this in pink, and then this embellishment cluster up here. And then that says Making Memories with washi tape and a sticker. Amy Tangerine tag. And this paper pad was also another My Mind's Eye paper pad that I was just hoarding because I don't know what to do with 6x6 paper pads. You guys, what do you use them for? Because with like 12x12s or even 8x8s, I can make like junk journals and mini albums and all the other good things that I know how to do. But 6x6, it's so small, like I don't know what to use it for besides making this now. Oh, this is so cute. So this is from the Snap sticker book, and it had this camera and it had these letters. So I added the O from another sticker sheet that I had, so it says, oh, Snap. And then, you know, if anything crazy happens, you can add those photos in here. I just thought it was really funny. And then this gold swan, enjoy today. And more pockets, more places for photos. And then this is one of those vellum stickers. It had like a whole oval shape, I guess, and I just cut it down here so it says Dream a Little Dream. Remember this day. And then again, I included a playing card. And I don't remember the name of this paper collection, but it's also very cute. It's like bohemian themed. And then another tag from Webster's Pages. And then this one says beautiful. And then same thing on the back. I added that stamp with my name. And that is the second memory hoop. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip throughs of those mini albums and taking a look at these memory hoops. Follow me on Instagram at Lisa's Oddities, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!